couldn't do it without Ian.
Hey, Steve from Clean Cruiser Project, and we're here with the second BJ40. We've done the R2.8 swap. Just going to walk you through it and kind of show you around the rig. We got the Champion radiator. I used HPS high-performance silicone products to plumb in the radiator as well as the intercooler system. Throughout the rig, we've used a bunch of used product from classic cruisers out of Poncha Springs, Colorado. And they've been really helpful with some hard to find stuff throughout this whole build. The leaf springs are ARB, heavy duty leaf springs, and then we have Icon shocks to round out the suspension there. Aqualoo Industries are the ones that hooked us up with this tub here, and they also do a really neat feature for all you 40 series owners. These half doors are just killer. Really nice thing to have if you're going to run around with your top off. We went with the painless wiring harness here.
We're going a little electrical here, boys and girls.
We're going to put a decoded digital cluster gauge in here, so everything will just hook up to the OBD2 sensor and we will get good read-offs there. The R2.8 comes with a Murphy. I'm going to mount it into the dash, and we're going to have readouts for the oil pressure and coolant temperatures and all those good readouts there. We've got the R2.8 connected to an advanced adapter's bell housing via an Axis adapter, and then that runs to the NV4500 transmission. And we are currently reworking the transfer case, thanks to Matt from Advanced Adapters. The last thing we got to do in this rig is put in drive lines that we're going to get from Performance Driveline out of Bakersfield, California. They do really solid work. That's where we're at. Thanks, Ian.